Good morning, students. Today I am going to revise your chapter acid, bases and salt. I have already explained the chapter thoroughly, and you are having your exam very shortly, and therefore I am going to revise it. Now, what is acid, what is base and what is salt? Acids are those substances which can produce H plus ion in aqueous solution. Acids are sour in taste and they can turn litmus paper red. Bases are those substances which are bitter in taste and they are sleepy also, and moreover they can turn litmus paper blue. During the reaction between acid and base, acids and bases, water and salts are produced. Say for example, HCl is an acid, NaOH is a base. So when it will combine, it will give a salt, NaCl, sodium chloride along with water molecule. So this reaction is also known as neutralization reaction. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Then next, we have studied how the acids and bases react with metal. When acid reacts with metal, it gives salt and water, and also bases can give. I have explained it in my previous classes. Say for example, I am giving another example: acid HCl with metal, say sodium. It will give sodium chloride, NaCl, along with hydrogen gas, H2 gas. Salt and hydrogen gas. Sorry, so not salt and water, salt and hydrogen gas. So it is twice HCl, twice NaCl. Similarly, base reacts with water. One example is only given: twice NaOH plus zinc. It will give Na2ZnO2, Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. So when metal reacts with as either acid or base, hydrogen is must. Hydrogen is produced, and along with that, salt is produced. Next, how acids and bases, how acids react with metal hydrogen carbonate and metal carbonate and bicarbonate. So with metal carbonate and bicarbonate, the products are same. That means salt is produced, carbon dioxide is produced, and water is produced. So I am giving one example again. That is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate with HCl. Na2CO3 plus HCl. It will give NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Sodium chloride is produced, and water and carbon dioxide are produced. In case of bicarbonate also, if you consider NaHCO3 with HCl, then again same products will be formed: NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. This reaction has to be balanced. So it is your duty now to balance the reaction. Again, what happens when acid reacts with base? Acid and base react with salt and water form. First reaction today, I have already told you what is neutralization reaction. In the neutralization reaction, this is the reaction between acids and bases to give salt and water. Next point to reaction of metallic oxides with acids. Metallic oxide say magnesium oxide, MgO, reacts with sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So it will give MgSO4, which is a salt, and along with water, H2O will be produced. That means when metallic oxide reacts with acid, it will produce salt along with water. Next, what happens to an acid or base in a water solution? If you add HCl in water, H2O, it will give H3O plus, which is called hydronium ion. Somewhere it is also written as hydroxonium ion. Now it is hydronium ion along with Cl minus. This hydronium ion is produced by addition of H plus to water molecule. it gives H3O plus. Now sodium hydroxide is a base. When it is dipped in water, then it will give ions, Na plus ion and OH minus ions. That's all. What happens when acid reacts with, what happens when acid and bases are dipped in water? Next point, what is pH? pH is another topic. pH is, the definition of pH is negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration or hydronium ion concentration. Mathematically it is pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H3O plus. It is the mathematical definition of pH. And if you want to explain it literally, then it is the scale which determines whether a substance is acidic, basic or neutral. And if it is acidic, then it is how much acidic. It is given by pH scale. If it is basic, how much it is basic. It is given by pH scale. And pH scale starts at 0, it is 7, it is 14. 0 to 7, it is acidic. 7 to 14, having value 7 to 14, the substances are known to be basic. And if the substance possesses pH value is equal to 7, then it is neutral. Okay? If it is 0 to 7, 0 plus 6.9 leke acidic hobo. 7.1 to 14, it is basic. And if the value is 7, exactly 7, then the substance will be neutral. Okay? It will hold pH or kotha. Potence of the propra. It is a German word. Technique of the strength of acid and bases can be determined with the help of pH scale. Next one, what could pH to use hoy? pH or kotha to amar tooth decay. Tooth decay karone dator eta definite pH value thake 5.5 near about. গতিকে হেতু তোমার তাতকে রেঞ্জ যদি কমি আহে বেশি অ্যাসিডিক হৈ যায় তেতিয়া কি হয় আমাৰ দাঁতৰ ডিকে আৰম্ভ হয় টুথ ডিকে starts and in such a situation to control the tooth decay we have to brush our teeth with toothpaste and those toothpastes are actually basic in nature and then neutralizes the acid present in our teeth. Okay, similarly another example where pH is very important, that is in our soil. In our soil it possesses a definite pH value, so it determines what type of crops can be produced in that particular soil and how it can be cured if the food production or crop production is decreasing, then how it can be increased. It will be determined by pH. By using different kind of fertilizers or different kind of chemicals in the soil, we can control the pH value. Thirdly, our digestive system. In the digestive system, hydrochloric acid is produced, that is important for the digestion of food. But if the amount increases, which is released by our stomach, then what will happen? We will irritation will start. That means pain, maybe flatulence, different kind of problems will start. And to control that, antacid we have to take. We have to take antacids to control the pH. Similarly, in our blood, it has a pH value near about 7.2 to 7.8. If it exceeds, then it will be fatal. So these are importances of pH. In the different kind of animal stinges, these animal stings বিলাকত কি কৰে এনিমেল বিলাকে বা ইনসেক্ট বিলাকে তাহাতি এসিড ইউজ কৰে এসিডটো দি দিয়াৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ খজুৱাই বা বিষায় ফলত আমি হেৰি নিজক প্ৰটেক্ট কৰে তেনেকে নেক্সট তোমালোকৰ কেইবাটাও ইয়াত সল্টৰ কথা দিছে সোডিয়াম ক্লোৰাইডৰ পৰা কি প্ৰডিউস কৰিব পাৰি সোডিয়াম ক্লোৰাইডৰ ৰ মেটেৰিয়েল হিচাপে ইউজ কৰি আমি যেটা সোডিয়াম ক্লোৰাইডৰ ৰ মেটেৰিয়েল হিচাপে ইউজ কৰি পেলাই কেইবাটাও সোডিয়াম হাইড্ৰক্সাইড ব্লিচিং পাউডাৰ বেকিং সোডা বা ওয়াশিং সোডা তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্লাষ্টাৰ অফ প্যাৰিছ এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ বস্তু আমি প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰো তাৰ ৰিঅ্যাকশনখিনি তোমালোকক মই আগতে দি গৈছো সেই কেমিকেল ৰিয়েকশ্যনখিনি তোমালোকে মনত ৰখাটো খুবেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট why because in the question paper generally these questions are asked that write the preparation process of plaster of Paris write the chemical equation involved with it so it is important question again write 2 uses of baking soda write 2 uses of plaster of Paris গতে এই বস্তুখিনি তোমালোকক মই আগৰ প্ৰিভিয়াস ক্লাছখিনি তোমালোকক কৈ থৈ গৈছো এতিয়া নেক্সট তোমালোকৰ এই চেপ্টাৰৰ এইখিনি কথা আছে এই কথাখিনি তোমালোকক মই ভালদৰে আগতে পঢ়ুৱালো গতিকে তোমালোকে সেই ভিডিঅ'খিনি চাবা সেই ভিডিঅ'খিনি চালে কিবা বুজি নাপালে চাবা এগেইন ইন দা ডাউট ক্লাছেছ তোমালোকক এষাৰ কথা মই এতিয়া কওঁ যে ডাউট ক্লাছত মই 3 দিন সোমালো আৰু 3 দিন সোমাওতে মই কিন্তু ষ্টুডেণ্ট নাপালো 2জন বা 3জন ষ্টুডেণ্টহে আহিছে এই ভিডিঅ'টোৰ জৰিয়তে I want to reach you actually I want to touch you all the students of class 10 remember one thing it is a corona situation how long it will stretch I don't know and you also don't know but time is precious মনত ৰাখিবা সময়টো বৰ মূল্যৱান তোমালোকে পঢ়া তোমালোকে এই ক্লাছখিনি ফলো কৰা এনেকুৱাও হৈ যাব পাৰে যে তোমালোকৰ অনলাইন ক্লাছৰ জৰিয়তে SSLC এক্সাম হৈ যাবগে পাৰে তেতিয়া তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা বহুত ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে বৰ ধুনীয়াকৈ পঢ়ি আছে I know it কিন্তু কিছুমান ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে হয়তো ক্লাছবিলাক লাইটলি লৈ আছে নহলে ডাউট ক্লাছবিলাকতো সিহঁতি আহে ন 2-3টা ষ্টুডেণ্ট ডাউট ক্লাছত আহে বেয়া লাগে তোমালোকে ডাউট ক্লাছবিলাকতো আহিবা আৰু পঢ়া শুনা কৰি থাকা ভাল হ'ব তোমালোকৰ বহুত ভাল হ'ব কিবা প্ৰব্লেম থাকিলে তোমালোকে থ্ৰু মোবাইল ফোন অলসো ফোন নম্বৰৰ জৰিয়তেও তোমালোকে কন্টাক্ট কৰিব পাৰা গতিকে ফোন নম্বৰ তোমালোকে পাই যাবা ঠিক আছে ওকে দ্যাটছ অল থ্যাংক ইউ